Hello everybody, what's up? In this video I will show you how to fix SHEIN app accounts suspended. So this solution is very easy, just pay attention in this video till the end. So go and open your settings of your mobile phone. Click at apps option now, and at apps option search for SHEIN and click. So here guys, you're gonna find this list of options. Scroll it down and click on storage. Click right now clear cache, and back click here on force stop in the corner of the screen and click OK. So go to Play Store or App Store and update your SHEIN, and after this restart your phone, and that's all what you have to do. So guys, hopefully don't forget to support us by like and subscribing, and see you next video.